Subscribe now. Press the bell icon. Never miss an update. If you like videos, please like and share your friends and family.
Good afternoon, Arun sir and Guru sir. Thank you for your valuable feedback. And feedbacks like this are always encouraging. So, Arun sir, मला वाटतं तुम्ही मला प्रश्न विचारलेला आहेत की इमोशन्स किंवा फिलिंग्स दाखवणारी वाक्य लिंकिंग वर्ब्सची उदाहरणं असतात का किंवा लिंकिंग वर्ब्सशी रिलेटेड असतात का, मला वाटतं असा तुमचा प्रश्न होता. तर म्हणजे तुम्ही जसं म्हणलात तसं आय नो लिंकिंग वर्ब्स आर अ बिट डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टँड और डिस्टिंग्विश. तर I think I need to give you say 20 verbs which are always used as linking verbs. So that list I will give you, and I would also like to add and say that the verbs, how you use them in your sentence, that will determine whether they are used as linking verbs or not. म्हणजे वर्ब्सचा उपयोग तुम्ही वाक्यामध्ये कसा करताय त्याप्रमाणे ते लिंकिंग वर्ब म्हणून आहे का ऍक्शन वर्ड म्हणून तुम्ही त्या वर्बचा उपयोग करताय ते ठरत असतं. तर मला वाटतं थोडंसं सिम्प्लिफाय करायचं झालं तर काही वर्ब्स जी आहेत, काही क्रियापदं जी आहेत ती कायम लिंकिंग वर्ब्सचीच असणार आहेत. आणि तुम्ही आणि गुरव सरांनी म्हणल्याप्रमाणे इमोशन्स किंवा सेन्सेसशी रिलेटेड जी आहेत ती सर्टनली लिंकिंग वर्ब्समध्ये येतात. तर आत्ता मी तुम्हा सगळ्यांशी मी ही वर्ब्सची लिस्ट जी आहे जी शेअर करीन. दोज 20 वर्ब्स आर लिंकिंग वर्ब्स वी मे से. सो टू बिगिन विथ the forms of to be, like is, is, am, am, are, are, was, was, were, were, being, being, be, become, become, been, been, then appear, appear, then seem, seem, stay, stay, sound, sound, smell, smell, then taste, taste, turn, turn, remain, 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 grow, grow, look, look, feel, feel. So all these verbs can be used as linking verbs. So if I say I am happy, so am here is used to describe how I feel. I feel happy. So am here is a linking verb because it is describing how the subject, that is I, is in which state. So we can also say that the verbs which display state of being are or emotion, state of being or emotion can be linking verbs. So if I say I am happy, in this particular sentence am is a linking verb. I can similarly say I feel happy. So over here feel, feel, feel is also showing how I am feeling. It is displaying emotion, and that is why feel over here is a linking verb. So in short, the verbs which shows the state of being can also be called as a linking verb. Now some verbs you see can be used both as main action words and hence they can be used as both the action verbs as well as linking verbs. I'll take an example here. In the main lecture, I said the sky turned grey. In this sentence, the sky, how did it turn? It turned grey. So over here, the turning, the verb turn, T-U-R-N, is linked with how the sky is looking, or it is describing the color of the sky. That is why turned here is a linking verb. Now, if I say, please note this sentence, Ram, turn back and go home. So, over here I am using turn back and go home. So, here turning refers to the action, correct? And it is not used as a linking verb here. It is not describing anything. It is the main action over here. Ram, turn back and go home. So in this case, in this sentence particularly, turn is an action word and not a linking verb. Whereas when I say sky turned grey, it is used to describe about the subject. That is why it is a linking verb. So it mainly depends how you use the verb, whether it is used for linking or describing the purpose of the subject, or whether it is used as the main action verb. Now I guess I have made the things better. I have better explained, I think, by taking examples. And I know it is a bit difficult topic, but you can make use of the 20 linking verbs I have given in this session. And if you use it in the fashion I have showed, then I think that will be of great help. So I guess I have answered your question correctly. In case of still you have any problems, then you can always ask me a question afterwards. Okay? Thank you so much. Thanks.